Hello, my name's Louise Riley and I'm qualified in the skincare and cosmetic industry. I want to talk to you about one of our top selling products. It's our Aloe Propolis Creme. We take our stabilised aloe vera and mix in bijenpropolis. This is a rich emollient which is perfect for the drier skin. It is soothing and non-irritating. Take the propolis cream directly from the tube and dot it all over your face, your neck, and massage into your skin. The propolis cream can also be used over your eye area. The Aloe Propolis Creme is a multi-functional product. It is great for the drier skin, for your hands, your face and your body. Don't forget to cleanse your skin before using the product with your favourite Forever cleanser.